how to mute audio of a video on your BN Video Editor application. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to BN application and BN homepage. Tap the plus sign or the create new project button below and tap the new video button. And now select the video you want to use. So for example, I use this 2 video. After you select the video, tap the next button. So we have successfully inserted the video. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to mute this video. So for example, I mute this one of my video. So select the video you want to mute. So the first one, tap this, and below, find the volume. Okay, you can see here the volume. You can slide to the left or right to find this volume. Tap the volume, and now you can see here the adjustment. You can adjust to the right to hide the volume, but in this tutorial, I'll show you how to mute this video. So you can slide to the left to 0 volume to mute this project. So after you mute this project, to save this, so there are 2 options below. The apply all and the apply to this one video. So if you tap this apply all check icon button here, the settings of volume is set to all video inserted on this project. So if you select this one check, the setting of this volume is set into one video only you selected. So for example, if you select this apply all or apply to all, tap the apply to all, and you can see here the second video. If you tap the volume, the second video is also mute. But if you select this one button, the one check icon button here, so this one video is not adjust. So if you select this button, so if you select apply all of your video is adjust. If my video is helpful, so kindly subscribe to my channel and see you for my next video.